Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you guys some of my slime pet peeves with this slime. It's like one of my favorite slimes right now. It's like a rose gold metallic slime. But one of my slime pet peeves is when people poke like this. And another one is when they do that. Like the push poke, where they push it in and then poke it. Like, it makes no sense. And then another one is like when people okay, so let me see you guys somewhere, right there. When people only do a swirl like this, and then they leave it. Then they do this, and don't squeeze it to pop it. They just poke it and never squeeze it. I hate it when people don't squeeze it to pop the bubbles. Another of my slime pet peeves is like when people's messy with their slime. So they'll be like this, and then it'll be all over their hands, and then they have to go like this to get it off. And another one is like when they're so they're poking it and they're squeezing it and playing with it, and then they look at their hands to see if they're clean or whatever. Ooh, mine's glittery from the metallic, but I can't think of any other one. Oh, another one is like when someone has butter slime and they don't spread it. They just they poke it and then they'll play with it, and they never go like that or like that. They don't spread it. So yeah, that was my slime pet peeves. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Peace.